Hi guys. For Tuesday, what we're going to be doing is on EduTyping, you're going to do the $sign, the percent, and the slash. And then we're going to do a Google Slide assignment. This one's called Superman, and it will be posted in Google Classroom. So quickly, let me go over EduTyping, the dollar, percent, and slash. So the $sign is above the 4, which means I'm going to need to use my right pinky and my left index finger. The second key, I believe, was the percent. Yes, the percent. So the percent one is also left pinky and then above the 5 with my left index finger. And then finally the slash key. And that one, what you're going to do is you're going to take your right pinky and you're going to just go down to the bottom row. That's your slash. No shift keys. So that is the EduTyping lesson. And then the Google Slide assignment. And like I said, the instructions will be posted in EduTyping or in Google Classroom, sorry. But what we're going to do is you're going to make a PowerPoint. That should be updated. You're going to make a presentation and it's going to have 3 slides. You must use the same slide theme, insert an image, transitions, and animations. So I'm going to quickly show you what those are. So first I'm going to go into my school account and then I'm going to create a slide. And what I want you guys to type on each slide is right here. Okay, so we're going to create a blank slide presentation. And then the first one is you're going to type in, Superman, who is he? And then I have a few, typos, but that's not a big deal. And to be honest, this format is not the format that I want. So what I'm going to do is go up to, I gotta remember where I'm at. Oh, it's under layout. There it is. Layout. There we go. Title and body. So Superman, who is he? And then you'll fill in that information. As far as themes go, you pick a theme. Any of these themes over here on the right hand side are fine. And then after you choose your theme, the next thing, and well, I might as well go ahead and do my 3. So add and add. And then the next 2 slides, what are his strengths and weaknesses and who are his friends? So just what are his strengths and weaknesses? And then on this one, who are his friends? And then, like I said, fill in the rest of the information that you've been provided with here. So I'll just start here. He was born on planet Krypton. So he was born on planet Krypton. Not sure if I'm spelling that right. And then he grew up in Smallsville. Okay, and then continue that. You want to make them bullet points, just select them. And then on your, let's see, it should be on your toolbar. Yeah, on your toolbar, which you might have to expand out because you guys are working on Chromebooks. Look for the bulleted list icon. So that takes care of our 3, assuming you've done everything. You insert an image of Superman. So insert image. I would just search the web. Superman. And once you find your picture that you like, go ahead and insert it. and resize it if necessary. Position it where you want it. And you're going to do a transition between the pages. So that's between these 3 pages. Right now, if I were to play it, it would just go from one to the other. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to start at slide 1 and I'm going to choose a transition. And I'm just going to choose dissolve. And I'm going to go ahead and hit apply to all. So now if I hit present, we go from one, it dissolves into the next one, and dissolves into the next one. Okay, and then last but not least is the text must have animation. So starting here, I'm going to select my text here, and I'm going to tell it to add an animation. Now, if this isn't open over here for whatever reason, in order to get to that, I believe there's a couple of things you can do. Let's see. How about insert animation? Right there. There we go. And then there's our slide, but here's our object, and these are the bullet points. So maybe I don't want them to fade in, I want them to fly in. And then I can just hit play, and I can get a little preview of what it does, and I click on my screen and they fly in from the left. I do have to hit stop down here so that I can actually go back and continue editing. Okay, so that is your first Google Slide assignment. Hopefully you guys will go pretty fast with that. The hardest part will be, in my opinion, for you just to type all of that information. But you guys are fast typers, so I have confidence in you. And no worries, if you don't get it all finished today, you will have time on Thursday to catch up. Please email me if you have any questions.